Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set animation settings on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, go to your home page and click on this more button down below on the right side of the screen. After that, tap on settings, then click on options, which is the third button. Then you should scroll down until you can find this animation quality settings section, and here you can choose from three options: high, medium and low. As you can see, the default option is high. As you can see, it is enabled, but you can also select the other two options by simply tapping on the relevant one, and then it will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.